here we are at the Waimate 50, bit of a shakedown for the new supercharger, the Vortex supercharger. Yeah, now we're ready for battle time, round one. Was saying, nah, don't take it down there, you'll crash it, you'll wreck it, but it's good practice, man. We've got to put ourselves in these positions, and a good event. It's not a competitive event where we need to go out there and perform. We could just go out there and do our thing and play with, just make sure the engine's running right and work on throttle control, because it's got all the power in the world, man. We're so stoked with it. So yeah, driving it just feels so amazing. It's definitely, it's just so drivable. It's not like when some people supercharge things, they just come on so rapid. It's pretty much how it's just like NA, and I'm looking forward to competition in it. One thing we didn't want to lose was the sound of it, because we had so many comments last year that they love the sound of it, they love it revving, and that's what this Vortex charger allows us to do. It's got a few more noises down the bottom, and which is really cool. Pretty hard to hear them inside the car because it's so much louder, but we're loving it, man. It's all there. It hasn't lost that note it had, and yeah, we're just over the moon. It's going to be a weapon, man, and hey, we're just going to have to work more harder on our setup and stuff. Like it's going to be a lot different. We know it's going to be different, but I'm pretty confident the way the power delivery of it, it's not real aggressive. That you can't control it. It's just like you can throw your missus in this and drive it down to the shops. It's just so drivable.